Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Kiwi Crate unboxing, and I'm really excited to get into this with you, and my son is very excited. So if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings like this, to show you different curriculum ideas and organizational ideas. So if you're interested in those things, please subscribe below, and let's get into this box. So this one says it's a mechanical sweeper. Build a handy mechanical sweeper and decorate it with your own watercolor paints. So that sounds very exciting, and my son will be very excited to paint. So when we open it, this is not what I was imagining, this picture on top. My son thinks it's like a broom because he went and grabbed the broom and he thought that's what it was gonna be like. So this picture I'll show you in a minute. So that's what it looks like when you open it. It's not what I was imagining it to look like. I did imagine something more like a broom, but this is what it looks like. So we have the instructions, it looks like right here. So this looks like it's gonna be really, really cool. It's like nothing I've seen before. So I'm excited to do it. It's like cleaning the road, except you're gonna paint. That's what it makes me think of, those sweepers that go around and clean the road, except now we're gonna build one that we can paint with. So it'll be interesting to see how it turns out. So this is a little booklet, and it has some different things in it. I don't know what you talk about with a sweeper. It has a whale in here, and it has a lot of comics this month, I feel like more so than normal, so that's exciting. And then something else that you can do with a whale right there. So I guess this looks like a whale, like it's eating some of the balls. I'm not really sure, so this will be exciting to do and then show you. So here's the foam, some foam pieces, and I think some other cardstocky, it might just be all foam pieces. And then some elastics and maybe a little pin or a thumbtack type thing down there. And then we have a bunch of little pom-pom balls and some salt. It says not for food use, so don't consume it, but this is some salt. And then this looks is part of our sweeper that we're gonna make. And we have the watercolor paints in here. You can see those. And then some other different parts. This is probably our whale, it looks like right here. And then some wooden pieces right here to put together our sweeper. And I think that's all. So this looks very exciting and like nothing, again, that I've seen before. So I'm excited for my son to put it together and to let you know how it goes. Okay, so we're back. Manti just finished doing his Kiwi Crate, and it was a sweeper, if you remember. So here it is. So we have our whales on the side that he got to paint, and then this is what the inside of it looks like, and then the little pom-poms are back there that he swept up. So what was your favorite part, Manti?
All of it.
All of it, which is always his answer, all of it. Okay, what was the hardest part?
This and this.
This and this. So that most of it he could do by itself. There was a few parts just putting everything together and pushing it through and putting the rubber bands on. He just needed me to help him hold stuff so that he could put them on. But other than that, he did a pretty good job all by himself. And it also comes with this extra paper that has holes in it. So if they wanted to paint another picture, they could put it on the sides along with the whales. So at first I was really confused why it was having you make a sweeper, and then the whole pamphlet was talking about whales. So I looked through the pamphlet, and it describes different whales and how they eat, and one of them right here eats by sweeping, so it like closes its teeth and sweeps through the water or on the surface. Come here, bud. And that's how it eats. So that's what this is kind of representing, is the whale going through the water and sweeping stuff up and eating it. So he's had a really fun time playing with this, throwing them all over the ground and then sweeping them up, and it works really, really well. And it was a lot of fun for us, and I just really liked how they incorporated something different into the booklet. So you could take the time to teach your children about whales. It has some other activities in here about whales, and it has these little bread things right here that you could make. That's the wrong page. Here we go. They're right here. And so you could make that with your kids. So I thought it was just a fun way to incorporate it, because when I first read it, I was thinking more like a street sweeper or something that just cleans up a little bit your house, and I wasn't thinking in relation to a whale. So I thought it was just a fun idea to introduce a topic. So we really enjoyed it, and Manti really enjoyed putting it together. So if you're interested in seeing more unboxings like this and seeing more of our homeschool life, please subscribe below, and we will see you next time.
Mommy,
Can you say bye?
bye.